VinFast Philippines is stepping up its push in the EV space, flying in top local automotive editors for an exclusive tour of its growing ecosystem in Vietnam. The group visited the brand's advanced manufacturing facility in Hai Phong before heading to Hanoi and Vinpearl Nha Trang for hands-on drive sessions.
So we're here to highlight the VinFast ecosystem and showcase our cars, let them have a feel of what our cars are.
The media also got a close-up look at VinFast's expanding electric lineup, from e-scooters to the upcoming VF3, plus the VF6, VF7, MPV7, and flagship VF9. Company executives say building stronger ties with the local press is a key part of growing the brand's presence in the Philippines.
This activity is a great exercise. We want to maintain our solid relationship with the media. We want to express our appreciation for their support. Bottom line is we want to keep this relationship with you guys.